In this video series, we answer your frequently asked questions about running a successful crowdfunding campaign. Today we answer the question, how do I protect my idea or intellectual property? Protecting your idea and intellectual property is a common question for those wishing to use crowdfunding. Once your idea is posted on a crowdfunding website, it is open for anyone to copy and use. There are ways, however, that you can look to protect your intellectual property. Protecting your idea differs from country to country and broadly covers patents, trademarks, copyright, and domains. World conventions have been signed by most countries on copyright and trademarks, but you need to take advice as to your own particular situation. Some crowdfunding websites have systems in place to limit infringement and can supply specific advice on what you can do. You can help protect your intellectual property by looking at the following 5 suggestions. The first suggestion is to document your ideas. Record and date your ideas and concepts as you develop them. See if you can secure witnesses throughout the documentation process. The second thing to look at is patent protection. Essentially, your application for a patent needs to be novel, useful, and not obvious. This grants you the right to prevent others from reproducing your concept. The third thing to look at is trademarks. This is a distinctive indicator using a word, name, symbol, or combination to represent a unique product or service. You can apply for a national, regional, or international trademark. Then there is copyright. Normally, the first person who creates anything and fixes it in a usable format owns the copyright of that creation, unless sold or given away legally to another party. Then we have to look at domains. Domain ownership helps protect your intellectual property, so make sure the domain is in your name. When you run a crowdfunding campaign, your personal name gets used everywhere. You have the right to protect any unauthorized use of your personal rights. Finally, you need to make your own judgment or seek expert advice to protect your idea before launching a crowdfunding campaign. There are many more resources available to support your crowdfunding efforts at crowdfundingfocus.com.